Hey, what's up guys, here with another video. Today we're going bass fishing at a private pond that my parents' friends know, and it holds a lot of fish, not too huge, but we're gonna catch numbers today. Stay tuned. It might be a little hard for me to film because I'm using my iPhone, and I don't have like a head mount or anything for it, but please bear with, and I'll see you there. Hey guys, I'm just gonna let you know what combos I'm gonna be using today for the bass fishing. I'm gonna be using the Sahara and the Inferno, and then back here I have my Blues Carbon Fire baitcaster with an ugly stick and Shore Select. But yeah, see you there. Hey guys, got a nice bass on here. Here we go, guys. Nice bass with the chatterbait. Got another nice little one here, guys. This time we got him on the shaky head. Boom, right there. Shaky head. Nice one. Let's get the release. Here we go. See you in the next fish. Oh, there's one. We got another one on the shaky head, guys. It's a little better one than last time. Here we go. It's a nice little one. Boom. Let's get the release. Let's get him in this dark hole. Here he goes. See you next fish. Hey guys, I got one on right here now. I don't know how big he is. I got him on the senko. Oh, he isn't too big. He's kind of small. Get him in. Nice dude right there. He ate the senko. We'll get him when we get the release. We got the hook out of this little dude. Now let's get him released. Hey guys, we got a nice one on over here. Let's see if he jumps. Oh yeah, dude, that's a nicer one. Let me sit you guys down so I can get this guy landed. Okay, here we go, guys. We're about to land him. Nice fish here, guys. Biggest one today. He's a nice one, look at that. Well, I'll get to you when we get him released. Here we go, guys. We got him all unhooked and stuff. Let's get the release now. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh, he just hit it so hard. Okay, let's see if we can get him in. Feels like a better fish. He might. Oh, I thought he came off. He might be the biggest of the. Oh no, he's just a hard fighter. Get over here. Let's go and get him released. Let's land him. Come here. Come here. This one swallowed it, but it's not that far back in there. But I'm just gonna cut the line and release him. I'll get you when we get him. We're able to get the hook out shortly after, but let's get him released. He'll be perfectly good to go. There it goes. No problem. Hey guys, just got this nice probably 2-pounder here on the Texas rig senko, but I'm gonna get the release right now. See you next fish. Well, just that after cast, I caught a nice fat one here. Probably one of the fattest of the day. But we'll go ahead and get the release. You know the usual. He's ready. Yeah, that was a little shower. I wasn't expecting that. Well, kind of. He was really energetic, but he took my senko, so I gotta go get another. Be right back. Hey guys, if you guys were wondering, I'm using a 5-inch Yum Dinger, I think it is. A Yum Dinger in like watermelon, red flake or something like that. But just so you guys know, that's what I'm using. Hey guys, here with another nice fish on the senko. See if we can land him here. Come on. What the heck? How is he hooked? I will get you when we get the release. Okay, here we go, guys. Look at that junker right there. It's a nice one. Got the release on right now. Ready? Slow-mo. And a nice one here, guys. Let's get the release. Yeet. Got a nice one here, guys. On the senko wacky rig. The bite has slowed down a lot, but we'll get this guy unhooked real quick and get him back in the water. Let's get him released. See you later. Hey guys, I'm sitting here editing this video and realized that I never did an outro for this video, but I had a great day. I used a bunch of variety of baits. I even think I threw some hard baits like the chatterbait and things like that. I think I tried some spinnerbait but didn't get anything. But other than that, comment, like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you aren't already, go check out my other videos if you'd like, and stay tuned.